I want to say a big thank you to the Brownie team for sending me my first ever Gonk family. How beautiful are these? These are going to make the ultimate Christmas decoration. They're absolutely beautiful. Let's turn it around and take a closer look. These come as a set of 3 and they are light up as well, so their tummies do light up, which is absolutely adorable. On the base here you have the battery compartment. It takes 3 AA batteries and there is an on-off switch for when you want to turn it off. And 3 colourways you've got there is this silver, this beautiful red and this really pretty little pink one. The hats have the sequins on there and they're nice and soft with the hook on there, so if you want to hook it up onto your mantelpiece or even onto your tree, you certainly could. And this is really nice and squidgy. They have the cute little nose and the little felt around the top there, and each one of them has the matching arms with the mittens and the candy cane as well. And it is all the way around, so you had it on your table, it is going to look great from all sides. And these are knitted, which is very sweet, a really nice little touch. And it has the cute little feet. It also has the super fluffy little beard as well, which goes all the way around the back. Just reduce the lights there so you can see the absolutely lovely glow that they give. Really beautiful. They're going to be a hit with absolutely everyone in the house. The question is, which one will be your favourite Gonk?